Hello, and welcome to yet another video. Sorry it's been so long. I've had work stuff taking up most of my time. So for this video, I thought I'd respond to some of the questions I've had in comments and things. So if I've not answered your question, I'm sorry, and just ask me again and hopefully I'll answer it in the next video. Okay, the first question is by a name that's gonna sort of appear there because I can't pronounce it. First of all, she's one of many people, I assume you're a she, if not I'm sorry, who've asked for my Yahoo Instant Messenger, MSN address. I don't mind sharing it with people, but as my girlfriend would say, and my family, I'm hardly ever online, so the best way to contact me is either by email, an email address would be there, or if you've got me as a friend on Facebook, it'd be Facebook. So yeah, so that's the best way in contacting me, or on here, yeah, in fact, so I check it quite often. Okay, no problem. Also, the same person asked what okay is in Welsh, and well, mostly we'll say iawn, which means alright, or okay, you know, so that's what we use for okay in Welsh. Okay, Ellen, 2008, wants to know what the seasons are called, this is quite timely, because as I'm filming this, it's Easter, which is Pasg, and Easter is the start of spring. Spring is Gwanwyn, yeah? Okay, summer is Haf, as in almost like half something, half, H-A-F, half. Autumn is Hydref. Yeah, this one's quite hard to get your mouth around, so Hydref, yeah? Okay, Hydref is also the Welsh word for October. If you've been keeping up with these videos, you'll already know that. So Hydref. Okay, and winter is Gaeaf. Yeah, that's another hard one to pronounce. So G-A-E-A-V, Gaeaf. You have to remember how to spell that. So yeah, they're the seasons. Okay, GS Boy asked me suggested I should get a haircut, and as you can see, haircut. So there you go. Is that any better? There you go. Okay. Sangona82. The message from these guys actually blew me away. They're from Catalonia, and they actually said they want to come up and see me, which is mind-blowing, really, from a YouTube video, wanting to come and meet a stranger. I don't know, I'm very, very busy. I've got lots of work on and stuff. I guess just contact me and we'll see what we can do. So, yeah. But I'm glad you're enjoying the videos. Okay, this person here, again, I can't pronounce that name, asked why some words sort of change the beginnings, like pimp is thimp, yeah? And these, I think I've mentioned these in a previous video, but they're called mutations, and there's probably a posh linguistic reason why it's done, but as far as I know, well, the reason is because it sounds nice, it rolls off the tongue better. Yeah, and that's pretty much the most technical answer you're going to get off me, because I'm not any linguist. I mean, somebody asked ages ago now whether I could describe the placing of the tongue in the mouth, and that just sounds really wrong. But yeah, you know, when I pronounce words and stuff, and I can't, because I'm not classically trained in this. Yeah, I'm a complete amateur, as you can probably tell. So, yeah. What's that name? See, I haven't got my glasses on. I should be wearing my glasses. Yeah. Benity100, I'm sorry if I pronounced your name wrong, had a very interesting question and asked if the spells in the TV show Merlin and the Elven language in Lord of the Rings were actually related to Welsh in any way. I actually did some research on this, and it turns out that the spells in Merlin are actually Old English, but Old English and Welsh were around the same time. They probably rubbed off on each other. So this person asked if they had the same phonemes, which I had to Google, and I found out meaning sounds. If they were sort of similar, and the answer is probably yes. As far as Lord of the Rings Elven language, there'll be millions of Lord of the Rings fans online who will probably flame me to Kingdom Come for getting this wrong. But from what I can gather, the Elven language was created by Tolkien, and there's two dialects apparently: High Elvish and Sindarin, or Quenya and Sindarin, I think. And Sindarin is supposed to derive that from Welsh. So it sounds similar, but the words are completely different. But the phonemes are also similar. So I hope that sort of answered your question. Yeah, so thank you all so much for watching and continuing to subscribe, and I'm glad you enjoy the videos. There's I think 177 subscribers now, and there's 26,000 views, which is mind-blowing. So yeah, I'll be uploading the new video soon, and I hope you enjoy this one. So until next time, Hwyl.